Here is an important question relating to stoichiometric calculations of an inorganic reaction. And the question is, an element X has a dibromide with empirical formula XBr2 and a dichloride with empirical formula XCl2. दो compounds दिए हैं XBr2 and XCl2. Both are dibromide and dichloride. The dibromide is completely converted into dichloride when it is heated in a stream of chlorine according to the reaction. और ये reaction भी यहाँ दिया हुआ है. XBr2 reacts with chlorine, forms XCl2, and bromine is given out. And certain information is also provided. Data results are given when 1.500 grams of XBr2 is treated with, we get 0.890 grams of XCl2. That's there. And now we are required to calculate the atomic mass of the element X and also identify the element X. Definitely स्पष्ट है कि रिएक्शन स्टोकियोमेट्रिक कैलकुलेशन पर आधारित है, जो कि रिएक्शंस पर दिए गए रिएक्शन के अनुसार निकालना है. और जैसा कि हमको मालूम है, इस प्रकार के कैलकुलेशंस में हमें नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकालना पड़ता है. जो रिएक्टेंट्स हैं, जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, उनके नंबर ऑफ मोल्स मालूम होना चाहिए. तो इसलिए हम इस रिएक्शन को एक इक्वेशन के द्वारा बेस्ड ऑन द मोल रेशियोज पर हम निकालेंगे. नाउ द बैलेंस इक्वेशन इज गिवन और हम मान लेते हैं कि जो एलिमेंट X है उसका एटॉमिक मास A है, कैपिटल लेटर A. तो मोलार मास क्या होगा? दैट विल बी A प्लस, in case of XBr2, it will be 2 times the atomic mass of bromine. The atomic mass of bromine is 79.9 something. So we can take it as a whole number as 80. And 2 times of 80 becomes 160. So the molar mass will be A plus 160. Similarly, in case of chlorine, the molar mass will be A plus, chlorine is 35.5. 2 times of it will be 71, and that will be A plus 71. Now, we are required to find out the moles of XBr2, and we know that mole ke calculation ke liye, for finding out the number of moles, we divide the given weight by the molar mass or molecular weight. So it will be 1.5 divided by A plus 160 in case of XBr2, and in case of XCl2, it will be equal to 0.890 divided by A plus 71. And now, since it is a stoichiometric balanced equation is given, we can balance it, equalize it according to the number of moles. And we can write the equation that 1.5 divided by A plus 160 will be equal to 0.890 divided by A plus 71. अब ये हमको एक इक्वेशन मिल गई. अब इसको हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. We can simplify it mathematically, and the steps are given here. On simplification, we get that the value of A is 58.85. Definitely, we arrive at that conclusion that the atomic mass of the element X is 58.8 grams per mole, and the element in the periodic table which is close to this value is nickel, and therefore we have identified the element as nickel. Now, definitely answer, finally we can write that the mass of element X is 58.8 grams per mole, and by comparing this value with the atomic masses of the element in the periodic table, this value happens to be closest to the atomic mass of the element nickel. So element is nickel and the atomic mass is 58.8 grams per mole. How this represents how such an important question can be solved. And similar questions are available to us in many competitive examination. We need to go through and practice such questions. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you again.